Community tax or local tax mostly paid in city hall or municipality. At least 18 years old, whether you are a Filipino or a foreign student studying here in the Philippines. Personal community tax are usually requested to be paid yearly as residence tax. Personal tax, Class A. 5 pesos basic residence tax and an additional amount depending on the municipality. Class B. Should be paid depending on the annual salary received by the employee. Judicial person, Class C. 500 pesos basic residence tax as a starting point when you are applying for a business. Class C1. Once business is already established, they need to pay every January 1 of the following year.
Nandito kami ngayon sa City Hall ng Imus. Nag-try kami kumuha ng community tax certificate. So, ang kailangan lang is valid ID. Tapos, magbabayad ka lang ng 32.40. Bali, yung 5 pesos, yun yung amount talaga ng community tax certificate. Tapos, depende na lang sa municipality kung magkano yung idadagdag nila na price. Bali, dito sa Imus, ang total na price na binayaran ko is 32.40 pesos.